I just want to let you know you turned a hater into a supporter, man. It's been, man, I'm listening to all these folks, couple days, couple weeks, couple months. I found out about wholesaling 9 years ago, man. 9 years. And you've given me more in a week for free than I've gotten in the last 9 years with thousands of dollars spent. So I'm 100% in. And I want to let you know, man, you're my mentor. Whether you know it or not, you are my mentor now for life. I appreciate you.
But me, I have to thank you for your past. And I say that because if you did not go through what you went through in your past, you would not be able to stand here for 30 motherfucking days and give us everything we needed to change our lives. So I thank you, Tony. I thank you. And just to let y'all know, no, I did not close the deal, but every day I wake up and say, I'm gonna close the deal. I'm on my way to the title company or attorney. I say it every day, I'm on my way to the attorney company. I don't even have a contract yet. But I tell myself that every day, like, you helped us change the way we think and the way we move. And I respect that so much. I'm not even gonna keep going. I thank you. I thank you for everything. I thank the groups. Y'all so fucking dope. Thank y'all encourage.
Yeah, I just want to. Yeah, it's a great opportunity though that you got here. I done followed a bunch of other people for the last 3-4 years. It's probably the first time that someone actually gave detailed instruction on what you need to do every day. You straightforward. All the energy in this group is great. And, yeah, I just want to commend you, man, for all the stuff you do.
And I hope this I'm gonna try to do my best. I'm at that. I am gonna rock with you and stuff like that. I like leaders. I like people putting out straightforward, and I appreciate y'all. And then just you give me like the little key nuggets to help me in my business. It's all about structure, call tools, and prop stream and all that good stuff. So I just appreciate y'all leadership and keep moving forward and really being real honest with us. So
and just thank you, Tony, for all the training, man. I'm gonna continue to implement everything that we learn. I'm gonna continue to stay active in the groups. I'm gonna continue to follow everybody on Instagram, and let's just keep working.
And honestly, we've invested so much money in other programs and other mentors, and nothing has came of it. And then we found Tony, and we got into the challenge at the beginning of the month, and we have seen so much success since then because, Tony, you actually go into details about what we really need to do, not just on the surface of cold call, not just send out mailers or whatever the case may be. You really tell us what we need to say, what we need to do, and you really break it down. And I'm a person that's all over the place. I like things to be perfect. And what you gave me was structure. I struggled with structure for our business for months. And now I know what we need to do to move forward.
Follow this right here. This right here is gold. This is gold right here. So I really appreciate what you're doing. Helping a lot of people. You're going to change the legacy of a lot of people. This is going to be shit that you can pass down to your kids, to your family members. And I want to say thank you for having an abundance mindset and be willing to share all this for free, because it's a lot of courses that don't even come close to this and you're paying for it. So I appreciate you, bro, and I look forward to the opportunity to meet and build with you, and as well as everybody else on this call.
Tony, I just want to thank you. I have not had my father in my life growing up, and I feel like a child, and you were the father pushing me to go out and to be great in this business that I've been trying to be successful in for so long. Tony, you have really impacted me. I've paid for courses like this and didn't follow them through. Today, I can honestly say that I have completed your 31-day challenge to the end. I actually got a deal signed with the help of my JV partner, Juliana, yesterday. And although I'm sad we didn't get the Vegas ticket, I'm going to do my damnedest to show up there because I want to meet you. I want to meet everybody else. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Tony, thank you for just being obedient to whatever fell on your heart to even start this challenge. because you could have got the thought and went on and did it another way, but it's become obvious in this 31 days that it truly, like, you were so selfless, and it something else truly jumped into you and took over and allowed you to just be as open and giving and understanding. I mean, you handled us like you've known us all our lives. And it was just your obedience and your discipline and your willingness to just show up and give everything, even when, your sister's wedding, you had some very private moments that you could have been selfish with, and you were not. You were like, yeah, I know you my sister, you getting married, I love you, but I got a call, I got a crew that's waiting on me to show up. And showing up is just half the battle for a lot of people. And you showed up in a way that I've never seen before in all my 42 years of living, and it's just been amazing. It's been life-changing, and you giving me a charge to keep, and I'm gonna do just that.
Bro, you ended up building the whole damn community, you know what I'm saying, with a damn, and you got a gated code to it, and you know what I'm saying, and I just genuinely appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, you know what I'm saying, and like I told you the other night when we was up till damn 1 o'clock in the morning, you know what I'm saying, like, you so transparent, the shit you've been through in your life, you so damn transparent to all of us. You know what it is, and it's just the community you built, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't never, ever, I ain't gonna ever forget it. You feel me? And I'm gonna always be there in your corner, bro.